I'm expect that. And when you don't come through, then I'm going to crush your empire. And that's what's coming.
Just a few days later, what Snoop Dogg feared became a reality. Tupac Shakur has been taken to a hospital where he remains in critical condition. He is being surrounded by friends and family hoping for a recovery.
When I went to go see, that ain't what I got. It wasn't no good to me.
Kaya tayo bumili dun eh, no? Daming sayang lang mo. Ha? Sayang lang yung vlog lang. What's that? Apple. Sayang lang yung apple dito eh. Pala yung see that? Not good. Yeah. Raise the apple. What? Daddy. Buha kayo ng apple ah. Tapos punuin niyo yan. Pinamimigay nila. Kaya nga dahil pinamimigay nila yung nalalaglag. Sayang. Dami nagugutom. Ang daming nasasayang na apple, guys.
We go here. Down there. Down there.
Sarap mag-video eh. No? Tingin mo, lalo tayo makuha apple. Yan. Kung pinulot mo itong mga nalalaglag, tapos ginawa mo juice, or ano, yung suka. Yan ang ginagawang suka, diba? Saka yung banana. Pupunta pa tayo sa malayo eh. Marami naman dito nag-ano. Yung nga lang yung pinakamalapit baka na-harvest na nila. Doon o, ang daming nalalaglag. Dito puro green, doon puro pula.
Pull it. There you go. Pull it in.
Very good. No, the other one over there. Oh, no.
Okay, another one right there.
Go. Wala bang red? Hey, go get it. Hey, don't throw. Go get it. Go, babe, go. You can. Jump, jump. Come on, you can do it. Jump. You have to jump. Baby, here. Here. Look at this. And go get it. Go ahead. Wow, very good. Picture. You're so cute. Hi. Go daddy, babe, go daddy. Ha? Ano? Only one. We got only one. Hey, look at this! Go get that! Go there! See that? Go get it! Go on! Very good! Give daddy! Give daddy! Give daddy! Give daddy! Oh! Dude, the other one! Here! Saan? No, it's too small. Oh, banana. Here. Get that. Go, babe. Go. And that one. There you go. Very good. Give daddy. Oh, no. Give daddy. Ang taga-video ko para mayaman yung video mo. Pipigil ko. Yung malo. Yun o, pula-pula. Isa pa. Isa pa yun. Oh my God, it's big. You see that bear? It's big, right? No, don't eat. Later. No, no, don't throw. That's not good.
Ew.
Ano pa isa? Bear, go get this one. Bear, come here. Oh, no, no. Ayan. Tuwa siya na nakakuha siya. Go find it. Go find it. Where's that? Yung mga talakuha ko. I mean, hindi siya masyadong matamis.